You know who he is? Who that boy is?
Who, him right there?
Who he is?
That's J Money, boy, you tripping. Best rapper out here right now.
Collecting my cheese, I'm stacking my cheddar, I'm stacking my green. They talking no letters, my voice in her head, now it's getting scary. I'm up in her dreams, they talking no Freddy. When I put it in, they rubbing her belly. I hit from the back, it jiggle like jelly. We wiping his nose like something was smelly. Just call me LeBron, the way that I carry my diamonds, they saucy. I drip like spaghetti, murder on my mind. Just call me LaMelly. Can't pull up my pants, my pockets they head. The next one out, I knew they weren't ready. That boy keep on talking, hang 'em like a post. My diamonds they dress, they say well like an oath. My girl wanna come with my body like low. My ice is so sick, this worse than cold. They know I'm the best, and I can prove. Body on the scene, now everybody clueless. They looking at me like Jason, how you do this? She told me she like the way I hit my moves. My name is not John, but you cannot see me. I ride around town, my girl coming with me. You know you a dime, never less than a penny. Know I'm at the top, J Money still win. You know that my cheese, I got it out the mud. Grew up on my own, I never had a bud. Know I'm at the top, still holding number one. Best one out, I put that on my son. Now go get some steps, we finna make a movie. This not an option, no, she finna choose. She broke his heart, now he acting groove. He talking to her, that was old news. We slept for one night, she think she my wife. I up with that pipe, we still use a knife. If I hear a beat, it's fire, I'm killed. I don't see no nails that's loose, but I'm drilling. You think that you better than me, boy, you trippin'. J Money the best, and he still pimpin'. If I see it up in the night, then I'm drillin'. Just call me Lil Michael, cause I make it thrillin'.